Hello fellow gardeners, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, fall crops to plant in August. We'll cover what vegetables and herbs you can plant, how to prepare your soil, and tips to prevent pests and diseases. Let's get started on creating a bountiful late summer and early fall garden. What to plant in August? Warm season vegetables, tomatoes. Late plantings can still produce a good crop before frost. Peppers. These can thrive and yield a harvest well into fall. Cucumbers. Quick growing and perfect for late summer planting. Cool season vegetables, lettuce, fast growing and perfect for cooler temperatures. Spinach hardy and thrives in cooler weather. Carrots can be planted now for a fall harvest. Herbs, basil, great for a late summer planting. Oregano, thyme and mint. These herbs can thrive and enhance your fall dishes. Importance of soil health, healthy soil. Healthy soil is crucial for a successful garden. It provides nutrients, retains moisture, and supports plant roots. Adding compost. Mix compost into your soil to improve its fertility and structure. This will give your plants the nutrients they need to thrive. Watering. Keep your soil consistently moist. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Preventing pests and diseases is essential for a thriving garden. Use row covers to protect your crops from pests. These covers create a physical barrier that keeps out insects. For organic solutions, use organic fungicides and pesticides to prevent diseases and control pests. Neem oil and insecticidal soap are great options. Rotate your crops each year to break up pest and disease cycles. This practice helps maintain soil health and reduces the risk of recurring problems. How to have a successful fall garden. Start your seeds indoors early so they have a chance to mature before the first frost. This gives your fall garden a head start. Fertilize your crops regularly to support their growth. Use a balanced fertilizer or compost tea for best results. Water your crops regularly to keep them hydrated. Consistent moisture is key to healthy growth. That's it for today's video on fall crops to plant in August. Remember, a successful garden starts with healthy soil, proper care, and preventative measures against pests and diseases. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips.